Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can find market cap of any coin on coinmarketcap. If you want to find the market cap of any crypto coins, you can do it on coinmarketcap website or app. For that you have to open coinmarket app on your mobile phone or you can visit their website. After opening an app or website, in a search, just write the coin that you want to find. Let's suppose I will write about dot. So this is the coin. I will click on this polka dot and open a coin. When you open a coin, just scroll down and here you will see total market cap, 24 hours volume, all time high price, and you can also check its ranking and all time low. You can check everything about any coin on this app, Coin Market Cap, or on their official website. So this is the way how you can check market cap or volume of any crypto coins.